Good morning. As you've seen, Garth of Building Supplies is the smallest yard in the world. I've got 3 vans up there, a wagon loading, and a guy taking sand up and down with fork truck. I just want 1 scoop of sand. That's it. That is it. Pardon me. As you've seen with Tom, we are prepping the lawn. He's just turning over all soil and whatnot. Like, there were little mounds there, rocks are off, so there were little mounds, so I was spreading that about. So yeah, I'll go today. I'll go trying to get finished tomorrow, which I think we will, but it's just that we might have to come in Saturday morning just to jet wash down and a bit of tinkering or something. What's going on now? Vans are moving about. So the thing is, you sit down here, being polite, waiting to get called up, and a van just drives past and poof, shoots up, and you're like, what about me? But I've just spoken to one guy, so he knows I'm here waiting, but does your head in. Locals, aren't they? They're all locals. So yeah, so I'm just waiting here to get sand, cement, got some new plugs, some more plugs for the wall, continuing finishing wall today. That's about it. It's going to be 27 degrees, it's going to be red hot. There's another wagon here now. I'm getting in front of them. I'll catch you later. You don't get anywhere being polite, do you? So I'm going to go pushing. See you soon. Right, fast forward an hour. I'm back. Just been here about 15 minutes. So there were a guy up there waiting and it looked like he were waiting to be loaded. Anyway, he was just chilling. So, tightest thing. So I wasn't going to go up, push my way through it all, for them to go, huh. And then a van pulling here, a wagon pulling here. I was like, I'll just have my rights, you know what I mean? Get nowhere being polite. So I went up, pushed in, moved him out of the way, got sand on, poof, gone. So we're back. This is what lads have been getting up to. So this is what we brought in this morning. Tipped it off, they've brought in, levelled it all out, rotivated it up. All this has been levelled out nicely. This wheel barrel over here is the remainder of them copings down there. So we're putting these blocks in down here. I'm just returning that now, and then we'll get to see his true height for the soil. Obviously I've got a string line, so I'm guessing, but we might just need to top it up here or there. Just gonna go stand in shade for a bit. It's too hot. What was I gonna say? This rotavator we've got is sweating. Is a Honda. 1 pull. I haven't used it for about, I think I say it every time we use it, to be honest, a couple of months, something like that. 1 pull start. Honestly, I've had it about 3 years. It's the best thing ever. I feel like putting that engine in an Alice's City Go. God, it's cool over here in shade. But yeah, it's just one big push. We'll try to get done for tomorrow. Probably just tidying up on Saturday. But yeah, looking good, looking good. Only thing is, if it were midweek now, and it were this hard, I'd just go, right, let's work till 2, let's go home. But we've got a bit of pressure off of the next customer for Monday, so we need to be there. And it's going to be red hot on Saturday and Sunday, so might as well do it now while we're here. But yeah, the only concern is the turf. That's coming in tomorrow. But I've told them they need to order a thingamajiggy. The sprinkler, pretty sharpish really. And just keep it on. Not all the time, but on a morning, on a night, keep it cool. But yeah, that's it really. Just cracking on, little bits, annoying bits. It's like you've opened up too much, but you've had to open it up to get the next bit in. But then you need to go back and finish it. So it's a bit fiddly, let's say, a bit fiddly. But yeah, customer's happy, I'm happy. Could do with a cup of tea if I'm honest, but yeah, catch you soon. One, is that the top? Yeah, one the top? Yeah.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do us one of those, mate. Half cut.
Bit of space here.
Yeah. Right guys, not much gone on today on the filming side. Basically they're getting the tennis courts done behind, as you've heard for the last week or so like that, but the gang come up today. I was chatting with them off at the fence, and an extra gang's come up today, and obviously he's had the radio on, so it's just been full on. A good radio station, had loads of tunes on, so we can't put that on here for us copyright reasons, which is a bit of a bummer. But I've on a walk around there where, like you said, as you've seen, all the lats are done now, all the cladding's done, the copings are done. We just need a whisker more to do on the blocks. Yeah, it's bitting and batting really. Tomorrow's massive. We're going to finish it tomorrow. Possibly just come in Saturday morning just to sweep resin in and do whatever we need to do. But yeah, feels good now in there. Feels good. It'll look even better. I always say it, when you get turf down, it's like decorating at home. Don't feel decorated until you've done that. You've done that bit, you know what I mean? That put the carpet down, and then it feels like, oh yeah, it's good. And that's what it's like in the garden with putting turf down. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for being patient on this job. It is taking its time. Be good when it's done. Be good. Be worth it. But yeah, see you on the next one. See you soon.